Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are outside the Walgreens and Walgreens is slow this week. Let me tell you also, just ignore these. These are here for you guys, not really for me. They are nasty, just to say the least. So yeah, anyway, so Walgreens is slow, like really slow. I mean, there's really good deals every week, but to me personally, this week is slow. And there isn't many deals for me personally, but that doesn't mean there isn't any deals for you guys. Also, I got a spend 50 spend booster this week, so I will not be doing that. I don't have enough register rewards to help keep my out-of-pocket lower. I mean, there are some good deals, but it would just be too expensive for me personally. But it may be worth your while if you need a lot of these deals. I'm not trying to say don't use the spend booster. I'm not going to. I'm just warning you now. But without further ado, I'm the third shift couponer. There's a printable breakdown just in case you want to check it out with all the deals on it. But let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. Alright guys, there's tons of L'Oreal lip care lip gloss that's on clearance for $3.49. They're buy one get one 50% off. There is a $6 off of 2 digital coupon that will not apply in store, but if you grab enough online, it should apply. We have really good savings on Garnier products this week, so they're on promotion for buy 2 get $3 in register rewards, and this deal does include both Fruities and Whole Blends. So if you want to do both of these deals, make sure you do them in a separate transaction from each other. But the Fruities are on sale for $4.49. So grabbing 2 of them will be $8.98. We have a $3 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $5.98 at the register. Get the $3 register reward for buying 2, making them $2.98 for both. Now if you want to do the whole blends are $4.99. So they're 50 cents more per bottle, which isn't actually that bad. So grabbing 2 of the whole blends will be $9.98. There's a separate $3 digital coupon. You'll pay $6.98 at the register. Get the $3 register reward for buying 2, make them $3.98 for both. We have really good savings on Colgate's toothpaste this week. It's on Colgate or Hello, so if you want to grab the Hello toothpaste instead, you can. I just don't think my store has any. I don't see it. Oh, it's down there. I found it. But anyway, they're $6 no matter what you grab. So grab 2 for a total of $12. We have a $6 digital coupon that works on the Colgate or the Hello. So you'll be left to pay $6 at the register. Get the $5 register reward for buying 2. Make them $1 for both. For spend 20, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $8. I believe you can do the Olay and Old Spice in the same transaction because it seems like they are different promotions. But anyway, so you'll grab 3 of your favorite Old Spice body wash. Grabbing 3 of them at $8 each will be $24. We have a $6 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $18 at the register. Get the $5 register reward for spending the $20, making them $13 for all 3. So Olay body wash is on promotion for buy 3, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $8. So grab your favorite 3 scents for a total of $24. We have a $5 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $19 at the register. I blanked, sorry guys. And then you will get the $5 register reward for buying 3, make them $14 for all 3. This week, select Gillette and Venus disposable razors are on promotion for buy 1 get 1 50% off. Spend $15, get $5 in register rewards. Like, this deal has been going on for literally ever. But everyone got the same coupons this week, so anyone should be able to do this deal. But the first product you're going to grab is one of the men's razors that are $10.99. Next, you're going to come grab this Gillette Venus Comfort Glide women's razor for $8.99. Since they're buy 1 get 1 50% off, the women's razor will be the cheaper item. So it will be the 50% off item. So grabbing both of these, our total will be $15.48. We have a $3 digital coupon for the men's and a $3 digital coupon for the women's. You'll be left to pay $9.48 at the register. get the $5 register reward for spending $15, make them $4.48 for both. Or if you prefer the non-disposable razors, we have pretty good savings on those as well. They're on promotion. The Gillette and Venus ones are buy two, get $5 in register rewards. And the cheapest products for this promotion are ones that are $9.99. So for the women's razor, you can grab this smooth one for $9.99. You can grab this purple box one, $9.99, or you can grab this comfort white tea for $9.99. Just grab one of those. Then for the men's razor, you're going to grab the Gillette Skin Guard. You're going to look for the one cartridge, one razor. Don't get confused and grab the one razor with two cartridges because that's a little more expensive. Grabbing both of these products, your total will be $19.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the men's and a $3 digital coupon for the women's. That means you'll be left to pay $13.98 at the register, but we'll get the $5 register reward for buying two, make them $8.98 for both. We have an okay deal on Dove Whole Body. Definitely not the best. We've seen better savings, but we haven't gotten good savings on this in a while, so I want to mention it. But Dove Whole Body and regular other Dove are buy one get one 50% off. But these are $13.99, so one at full price, one at 50% off will be $20.98. We have a $3 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $17.98 at the register, but there's no rewards coming back. You'll get 4,000 fetch points when you submit your receipt to Fetch, which is roughly $4, making them roughly $13.98. There is another promotion on Fetch for spend 20, but that's after coupons. So unless you already started that, you won't hit that yet. But it's basically buy one get one free. We have pretty good savings on Degree deodorant this week. They're on promotion for buy one get one 50% off. They're $6.49 for the men's or the women, so grab whatever two you like. They're the same price. So grabbing one at full price, one at 50% off, your total will be $9.73. We have a $4 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $5.73 at the register. Then you'll take your receipt, submit it to Fetch. We have 1,000 Fetch points on each one. This deal is a limit of 3, so if you did it like 2 weeks ago when it first came out, you might only have one offer left, just an FYI. But if you have both offers left, I'll make them roughly $3.73 for both. We have a really amazing deal on Always products. So this week we actually got tons and tons and tons of different $2 off of 2 products, or a couple $2 off of 1, etc. So there's one really good deal and there's an okay deal depending on what kind of products you need. The first deal is on the Always products. We're going to look for the ones that are 2 for $10. The first product you're going to grab for this deal is one of the Always pocket ones. They have the size 2 or the size 1, but you're going to grab one of those. For your second product, you're going to come grab one of the Always Overnight. This is the 16 count product, and it is our second 2 for $10 item. Grabbing both of these, obviously our total will be $10. For the Always Pocket, we do have a $2 digital coupon, or they both work for a $2 off of 2 digital coupons, so just choose which one you want to use. You'll be left to pay $8 at the register. You'll take your receipt, submit it to Ibotta, where we have $3 back on the Always Pocket and $2.50 on the Always pads. That makes these just $2.50 for both products. So the other deal we're going to do is these products are on promotion for buy one get one 50% off. There's no rewards coming back, so if you really want to do this deal, you can probably do it online, but make sure you get a paper receipt. You're going to grab one of the Always Z's. They're $11.99. Grab either box that you need. Then you're going to come grab either the Always Flex Foam or the Pure Cotton, whichever one you want. But online, I couldn't find these. These didn't show up at the store, so I'm just going to use the $12.99 price because that's what I have written down. So grabbing these 2 products, our total will be $18.98. Like I said, this deal is a little more expensive. For the Always Z's, we have a $2.50 digital coupon, and for the Always Pure Cotton, or if you grab the Flex Foam, there is a $2 digital coupon, which means you'll be left to pay $14.48 at the register. Then you're going to take your receipt, submit it to Ibotta for $3 back on the Always Z's and $3 back on the Always Pure Cotton or the Flex Foam. The offer works for both of them for that one, making them $8.48 for both products. This week we have pretty good savings on Charmin and Bounty. They're on promotion for buy two, get $4 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $12.99. So you can grab the 6 equals 12 doubles of the Bounty. Then you're going to come grab one of the 9 equals 36 of the Charmins that are $12.99. If you were to grab both of these products, your total will be $25.98. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Bounty and a $2 digital coupon for the Charmin. You'll be left to pay $21.98 at the register. We'll get the $4 register reward for buying two, making them $17.98 for both. Walgreens brand storage baggies are 88 cents. This is the cheapest they get for any kind of promotion. Still, now is the time to stock up. Grab as many as you like. I personally use these baggies. I think they're pretty good quality. So the deals for this week are okay. Pepsi are buy two, get two free. So whatever Pepsi products you grab, you'll grab a total of 4 for $23.98. Dr. Pepper and such products are buy two, get one. So that means all 3 of them will be $23.98. And then Coke is buy two, get two free. So it'll be $23.98 for all 4 you grab. We have decent savings on a couple of Walgreens brand storage. I don't know what to call them, but it's on aluminum foil, plastic wrap, or parchment paper. So you can grab the larger box of aluminum foil for $9.99, grab the smaller one for $5.49, or the plastic wrap for $3.29. So I'm not at my normal store because I had to leave halfway through, and I'll tell you at the end, but the Gains Flings, I think this is 16 count, this small bag. My other store doesn't carry it, but this one's on clearance at this store for $5.29. We also have clearance on the Arm & Hammer Sensitive 28 load, $2.49. Now I did mention the Tide Free and Gentle last week. It is this one, but like the larger bottle. We also have a small bottle of Tide Odor Defense for $4.29. We have decent savings on Purex. They're buy one get one free, so they're $8.99. You can grab the liquids, or you can grab the power packs, whatever you like, for $8.99 for both. And if you want, you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta, where we have 50 cents on the liquid, a limit of 1, and 50 cents on the power packs, a limit of 1. So if you grab one of each, it'll save you $1, make them $7.99 for both. All laundry products are on promotion for buy one get one free this week, and they're $8.99. They're full price, so you can grab these off 19 count of the laundry packs, or you can grab the sensitive one or whatever your store has for $8.99. Mix and match. So I got super excited when I saw this clearance tag. I didn't really read it to realize that it was for the Oxy, and it was actually in the wrong spot. So if your store still has the all Oxy, it will work for this clearance price. This week we have a great beginner-friendly couponing deal. Actually, there's no coupons that you need for this deal. There is a promotion going on, 4 for $16 on select items. So you're going to grab your favorite 4 products. It can be 4 of the exact same if you prefer, but grabbing 4 products will be $16. So here's some of the items that you can grab. So you can grab any of the Dawn Power Wash or these Dawn products themselves. We do have a few of the Cascade products that are included. We have a few select Swiffer products, or lastly, we have Mr. Clean products that are included. So you can mix and match. Like I said, grab your favorite 4. Okay, I was just walking past this end cap, and I didn't realize that Olay body wash scents also came in secret deodorant sticks or sprays. Yeah, that's news to me. So if you didn't know, learn something new today like I did. Alright guys, this is all I'm grabbing this week, but I will be using 3 register rewards. Let's see if they let me use them at checkout. Alright, we're back in from checkout, and I made an oopsies. Not once but twice at the store. Just because I was kind of panicking because I don't coupon at the store, and they heavily judge you at the store. Like, and I just don't like being at the store, to be quite honest. But I accidentally grabbed this one because I was like, oh, the customer that I love, my grandma's neighbor who buys these from me would prefer like this instead of the overnights, or like the overnight pads. But then I didn't realize these were the same Ibotta rebate. So don't be like me and grab the 2 same Ibotta rebate. I mean, it's still a really good deal, but like I said, I was rushing. But then the second mistake wasn't really my fault. We'll go over my receipt and then I'll explain why. So I grabbed everything in the cart that I showed you. Then, so what the mistake was is the all free and clear was tagged at this store for clearance, so it rang in at full price. I didn't realize until the very end. Like I said, I was more nervous about them using all 3 registry words for me, because the store, like, it depends on who the cashier is, it depends on what their mood is. 100% just avoid this store as much as I can. Plus there's a couple people in line behind me, so I was trying to get out, right? Anyway, everything else rang in fine. The all or not the hallways, and then the Garnier. I'm already losing my mind. Then I had a $10 store registry award, and then what are those? A $5 and a $3 registry award that were expiring today, and then a $3 digital coupon for the Garnier, and then the $2 digital coupon for the Always. Like I said, I didn't really know, well, I didn't say this in the beginning, but I didn't really know what I was going to buy today. It just depended on like what the store had in stock. I was going to grab some parchment paper, but the store didn't have any, so I had to like kind of fill in. But anyway, my subtotal was $4.97, and I thought that was high, but like I said, there was a line, and I'm like, whatever, yeah, whatever. But anyway, so like I came in, sat down in my car after I put everything away, and I'm like, wait, that's not right. So I went back in, and I even the manager was at the photo kiosk place, and I'm like, hey, like this didn't ring in right. I went and found her, I showed her the tag, and she's like, oh, this isn't the red tag, it's for the Oxy. I'm like, oh yeah, I remember that's what it was on clearance. Like, I wasn't trying to be deceitful, or like I just didn't read the tag. But she did give me $4 in Walgreens cash. I mean, it's not exactly the correct amount, but like it's close enough. It's better, honestly, than what I expected out of this store, so I'm thankful for that. Then I did get the $3 registry award for buying the 2 Garnier, but that's it. Oh, I did submit to Ibotta. I got $2 for the all, and then $3 for the Always. So, no, then I submitted to Fetch, and I hit my Always goal on Fetch of spend $20. So it makes this whole haul like a $3.50, like a $3-ish money maker. So in the end, like all is well, to be quite honest, but I was, yeah, just a little frustrated. Also, don't forget, if you haven't done it, today is the last day to use your free Dunkin' free coffee thing. But anyway, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.